What is going on, guys? This is my little gimp tutorial. It's gonna be a super famous little tutorial. It's gonna be a cheap one, but kind of cool. I'm gonna show you how to modify to touch, give the picture better color, and then sharpen it. That's what we're gonna do. We might replicate my Ariana Grande video, basically. I'm not even sure if I have that picture, guys. I might just have that one next door, but we'll touch up a picture anyway. Who cares? Let's get started. We're gonna browse for a picture. Picks 3 for me. I want to see if we have that picture, guys. I don't think we have it, guys. Wait. Picks 2. Yeah, we have it. We're gonna do Ariana Grande's cover. Open GIMP. Double click. Open GIMP. We're winging it. We're just doing this live, basically. We're doing it live. We're live, guys. We're live. Wish me luck, guys. Open an existing image, basically. I'm going to exit that first. We have to open an existing image. Click open. You're going to go to the folder that it's located at. Documents. Picks 2. And it's Ariana cover. Ariana cover. We're going to double click it to open it. You're going to click on colors up here. Click on saturation. You're going to drag the scale of the saturation up to what you like it to be. That's about good. It's much more colorful. Click OK. Now we're going to go to Tools. Tools. Wait, guys. Oh, wait, not Tools, guys. Sorry about that. We're going to go to Filters. Filters. Enhance. Remember, we're doing this live. Filters. Enhance. And we're going to go to Sharpen. Sharpen. Wait, remember, we're doing this live, guys. Yeah, we're going to enhance, sharpen, and amount, I think. Yeah, amount, guys. Sorry about that. Not the radius, the amount. So yeah, that's good. That's better. We're sharpening it. Sharpen it's as seen in my, as seen in my YouTube uploads. This video is for YouTube. You're watching on YouTube, Purple Crayola Tutorials, how to sharpen a picture and give it better color. I'm going to click OK. Remember, you raised the amount, not the radius. Sorry about that, guys. Remember, we're doing this live. I'm going to click OK. All right. So we're going to go to File. Export as. Export as. Ariana, we're going to name it Ariana Cover. And we're going to put TUT, T-U-T for tutorial. Stands for this tutorial that we're doing right now. So just for this one time. Alright, we're going to export it. Everything is all good. Export as PNG image. Everything's all good. We're going to click export. Exit. Discard changes. Here it is here. This is it. This is it. We're going to do another one really quickly. Avril 8. You got to remember the name of it. Avril 8. We're going to do it quickly. We're just going to explain it real quick and do another Avril one. Or an Avril one. I'm going to open an existing file. Go to our documents and select the folder that the Avril photo is in. It's Avril 8. Avril 8, we're going to double click it. We're going to go to colors, saturation, scale it up to a beauty. Till she's a beauty, guys. Till she's a beauty. You're going to click OK. Go to filters, enhance, sharpen. And we're going to raise the amount until it looks nice. See it before your eyes. That is good. It looks nice. Yeah, that's good. It's pretty lots, guys. Pretty lots. You're going to click OK. File, export as. We're going to save it in the same folder, Avril 8, TUT for the tutorial. And we're going to click export. Quality, make sure your quality is at 100. When this comes up, if it's a JPEG image, quality at 100. We're going to click export. Image exported. We're going to exit that. Discard changes. And then we're going to exit GIMP. And we have our Avril 8 here. TUT. T-U-T. Very nice. That's my little enhancement, my little GIMP enhancement tutorial. Alright. That's it, guys. That's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe.